A gut-healthy diet focuses on supporting and maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. This can contribute to better digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. Here are some guidelines for a gut-healthy diet. Fiber-rich foods include a variety of high-fiber foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements and provides nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. Fermented foods. Incorporate fermented foods into your diet as they contain probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria. Examples include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, and miso. These foods can help improve gut health by introducing healthy bacteria into your system. Prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria. Include foods like onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and flax seeds in your diet to support the growth of good bacteria. Probiotic supplements. In addition to naturally fermented foods, you may consider taking probiotic supplements to introduce more beneficial bacteria into your gut. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate strain and dosage for your needs. Healthy fats. Consume sources of healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats help reduce inflammation in the gut and support overall digestive health. Limit processed foods. Minimize your intake of processed foods, which often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and negatively impact digestion. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water to support digestion and prevent constipation. Aim for at least 8 glasses, 64 ounces of water daily. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect gut health. Incorporate stress management techniques such as exercise, meditation, and sufficient sleep to support a healthy gut. Remember that everyone's gut microbiome is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have specific gut-related concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs.